Hi, today we're going to be doing 돼지고기 수육, which means boiled pork belly. It's a very popular dish in Korea and it's easy to make. So let me introduce the ingredients you need to make the boiled pork belly. So when choosing the pork belly, it's important to select the one that has more meat than fat. So the proportion of the meat should be greater than the fat portion. Then for the boiling stock, we need garlic, ginger, couple bay leaves, Korean miso, which is bean paste, whole peppers, fish sauce, rice wine, and a surprise ingredient, which is coffee, black coffee, and leek or large green onions, and onion, and water. So I'm going to make the boiling stock for the pork. You need 2 liters of water. Then add whole garlic, maybe 5 or 6 pieces. Then we're going to add doenjang or Korean bean paste. Ginger, I like them sliced, bay leaves, and 10 or 12 whole pepper, fish sauce again, and Korean rice wine, and coffee, instant coffee with large scallions and onion, 1 whole onion. All of this put together really actually takes away the sort of the porky taste or the smell from the pork belly. I'm going to take it to the... We're going to boil it at high heat. And when it starts to boil, you put in your pork belly. It's important to put the pork belly in when the stock is boiling. This way you don't lose the moisture from the pork belly. Then you lower the heat to medium and let it boil for 40 minutes. So to make sure that it's done, you take 1 chopstick and poke the meat. And if it goes in easily, it's done. We take it out. See, it looks so beautiful. It's been boiled well. The moisture is in. And because of the miso and the coffee, it's got that light brown taste, brown color to the meat as well. So now that pork belly is ready, I'm going to show how I cut the meat and plate it. I like to cut the meat in a little bit of thick pieces. The meat is really nice and soft, and yet it's maintaining its moisture. And it's just really very tasty looking already. Sometimes we serve this pork belly cold as well, so you don't have to worry about keeping its heat. So usually when I plate this pork belly, I like to serve them together with all different kinds of lettuce. That's whatever is in season is good. These are the napa cabbage. I just take the soft inside. And then sesame leaves. Right here. And I'm going to the pork belly. And the Assam sauce that we made earlier. And usually, sometimes we serve pork belly with old kimchi, or we make radish kimchi. But usually, I use whatever is in the refrigerator, and I can add old kimchi, or I can use, in this case, I'm using old radish pickles. I wish I had some fresh garlic, but I used it all yesterday. So.